Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Jira software on Windows 11, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Windows 11 device is powered on and connected to the internet. Locate the search icon on the taskbar, which looks like a magnifying glass. Click on the search icon and type Jira software into the search bar. If you have the application installed, it should appear in the search results. Click on the Jira software app to launch it. If you do not have the application installed, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for your Jira instance. This is usually in the format of https://yourcompany.atlassian.net. Press the Enter key to visit. Once the page loads, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the Login page. Enter your email address associated with your Jira account in the designated field. Click on the Continue button to proceed. On the next page, enter your account password in the password field. After entering your password, click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Jira dashboard. In case of any issues, double-check your email address and password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the on-screen instructions to recover your account. Once logged in, explore your Jira projects and tasks. You are now ready to use Jira software on Windows 11. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.